Well, it's Wednesday, midweek of the first week of class. And I know you, as working adults with jobs and children and responsibilities outside of the classroom, can feel like you're in a storm cell. By the way, this is a photo my friend took and allowed me to use of the weather around in Hays. And by the way, that storm plopped down on our house roof, and I lost a roof. My wife and I have to have our roof replaced. So we do feel we're in a storm. We do feel we're challenged by what life brings. But I also know from past courses, as a faculty member, you're going to get through it. Just like my wife and I got through it many, many times. So be strong, hang in there. I've gone in and revised the syllabus to be more specific, catching some errors. So go back and take a look. We're going to do this together. Thank you.